In this video, I am going to talk about for someone who have just entered this digital world but don't know exactly how to choose a niche or a skill to start their own business. Most of you have followed the same way to pick a niche or a skill to get started into the digital world. That is like finding a specific niche that interests you and just seeing if it is saturated or not. And if it is saturated, then don't pick. This is all you have hearing in the YouTube channels right now. But in this video, you will find something. You find a unique way to get started into this digital world, and you can create your own niche rather than jumping into an existing niche created by someone else. Yes, you can create your own niche. I learned this strategy from the book Expert Secret by Russell Brunson. He is an expert in these things. So if you are curious enough, then you can definitely give it a read. But if you don't want to, this video is enough to give you clear understanding on how you can get started into this digital world. Create your own niche rather than picking an existing niche created by someone else. So when it comes to carving out your niche in the market, think beyond the traditional approach. That is, if you see someone doing something great in his niche, you just start replicating it. So rather than swimming in the sea, crowded with competitors, and doing what other people are doing, consider this blue ocean strategy, which will help you to find your unique voice. This concept revolves around creating your own space where you are the leader, you are the innovator, and one setting the standards. Because here you don't need to just copy the other people what they are doing. Here what you have to do instead is see yourself what you can do for the people and get started on it. And this will help you to not only avoid the direct competition, but also create an opportunity in the market you are in. And you can create an opportunity for the people, switch their opportunity from the content they are watching before, and now they can watch to your content and follow your things because you have created an opportunity for them. So understand this with this simple graphic. So take a look at the image on the screen. On the left side, you see two circles, a blue ocean and a red circle inside it. So let's break it down in simple terms. The blue circle represents the blue ocean. This is someone else's niche, a space in the market created by someone who has become very successful and well known in that area. So let's say, think about Ali Abdal. He has mastered the niche of productivity and self development, and he has written a book on it as well. That is Feel Good Productivity, and made videos about it and created content that has a unique flavor only he can provide. This is his blue ocean, a space where he is the king and his audience loves him for his unique approach and passion. Now, let's talk about the red ocean inside the blue one, known as the red ocean. This is where the competition is fierce because it's filled with many people trying to do what Ali Abdal does. They see his success and try to replicate it, hoping to just get a piece of the pie. However, because they are copying him, the market becomes saturated and competitive, making it hard to stand out. So here's the key point. Instead of diving into the red ocean, where you are just one of many trying to do the same thing, look at the right side where it shows aim to create your own blue ocean. So how to do that? By leveraging your passions and unique skills to carve out a niche that is distinctly yours. Nobody can easily replicate that. When you do this, you become a creator and an innovator and someone who cannot be easily replicated. To wrap it up, the message here is clear. Find your passion, innovate with that space, and create something irreplaceable. This way, you are not just another face in the crowded red ocean, but a standout creator in your own blue ocean. If you have understood this, let's dissect further to know what would be your niche exactly. So there are typically three core markets we are seeing right now, that is health, wealth, and relationship. And there are many sub markets revolving around that where most of the businesses makes money. And here is the point where niche comes into the game, where you can create your niche in that sub market, and more importantly, you will be the leader and the big shark of your ocean. According to me, the best way to choose a niche is to reflect on your past experiences, talk about them, and use that insight to guide someone's future direction. Let's say you are too fat and you want to lose weight faster. So what you did is you started learning about different diet plans which will help you to do this. And fortunately, you did it in just 2 months, using the liquid diet or any diet which you have discovered by yourself, from the knowledge you have gained so far. So this is how you have created a niche, through your experience which you have experienced in the past. So in this term, health is your market, weight loss is your sub market, and liquid diet in just 2 months is your niche. You can relate the same thing with example of Ali Abdal, how he took productivity as a sub market in the wealth market. This thing help people because you have already completed the journey they are on right now, and they also want the same result you have achieved. So you have finally concluded how you can decide on a niche or a skill to start your own business. So if you are good at writing, you can start your own blog post where you can share your experiences, your insights, or whatever you have learned throughout the journey, And if you're good at making videos, you can start your YouTube channel where you will make videos on losing weight and what you have experienced. This will help to grow your audience, and in future if you are making a paid program or something, there will be an existing audience for you, so that you can sell anything to them, and there will not any marketing things you will need to do, because there will be an existing audience for you waiting for you to start and program about it. And but before that, I will recommend you to create an email list or something, where you can give something for free. Let's say you have created an email list where you are giving them a weekly PDF, a learnings insight, whatever experience, what you did and how you did. This will help you to build trust with them as well, and like this only you can grow and make money as well. So if you like this video and the concept behind how you can choose a niche or a skill, don't forget to subscribe, and you can also follow my newsletter to get more about it. So thank you.